Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Yap Math Education. So today I will discuss the Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics 006/1 Paper 2 of November 2024. Okay, let's look at the question 1. Question 1. Show that the tangent plus cos can be written as second cos sec. Okay, so let's see how do we. Okay, the first thing is, okay, I copy the question first. Tangent plus cotangent. Okay, now I need to separate. I write in sine and cos. Sine over cos plus cos over sine. And now I want to denominator become a 6, right? So now I need to multiply. So here I will get sine multiply the cos. Okay, here you will get sine square plus cos square will equals to 1 over sine cos. Okay, so now we can try to separate first. 1 over sine theta over multiply over 1 over cos theta. And here we can write for seconds. Okay, so actually we get 6. Okay, now we try the question 2. Given that y equals to tangent x minus x, find the dy. Yes, write your answer in terms of the tangent x. Okay, so now I copy this question. Y equals to tangent minus x. So dy dx, you will get second square minus 1. But the question says your answer in terms of the tangents, right? So you need to change. How? Okay, you see here is 6 square minus 1, right? So we can try to relate it to trigonometry and then okay, now I try related. Tangent square plus 1 equals to second square, right? So you can write here, tangent square equals to second square minus 1. Yes, you see it seems, right? Yes, we can use. So you can write here, tangent square x. Okay, let's look at the question B. Hence, find the integrate 1 over 4 pi 0 tangent square x dx. Give your answer in exact form. Okay, so I'll copy the question first. Yes. Okay, so now here, okay, so I can totally to get the answer is tangent x minus x 1 over 4 pi 0. Okay, so we try to substitute and simplify. You can write here tangent bracket 1 over 4 pi minus 1 over 4 pi. Okay, minus bracket tangent 0 minus 0. So for the this part, you will get equals to 0. So actually you don't need to calculate again. So you can write directly the answers. So you can write 1 minus 1 over 4 pi. Okay, so now we try to see the question 3. Solve the equation 8 power 1 over x minus 2 multiply 8 power negative 1 over x equals to 1. Okay, when you see these symbols right here is negative, yes, we need to using the substitution. Okay, so now I can try to relate it. I can write here, let u equals to 8 power 1 over x here. Okay, so I can write here, u minus 2 minus 2 over u equals to 1. So I can now multiply u squared minus u minus 2 equals to 0. So now I can try to factorize u 2 1. Okay, 1. So 1 negative 1. So I can put here negative positive, negative. Okay. U plus 2, U minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so here, we just proceed as a negative and positive. U square, U. Okay, so you will get U equals to 2, and one more is U equals to negative 1, right? But you see this negative one, right? Because you see this power, they will not come up the opposite value is equals to negative. So you can try to ignore, ignore for this part. Okay, a power 1 over x equals to 2. Okay, so you can write here 2, 3 over x equals to 2. So 3 over x equals to 1. Okay, so x equals to 3. Okay, so this is your answer here. Okay, okay, for the negative one, we try to ignore. And then why? Because we know domain for 8 power 1 or x can subset to all the numbers, right? And then range for the x will, the fx will more than 0. Because why? Because you see, it's like exponent functions. Okay, so should be more than 0. So you see the u equals to negative 1, actually, just in not. Okay, okay, let's try the question. Is given that, okay, bracket square a minus square root 3 equals to b plus 3 minus b square root 3, where a and b are integer, find the possible values of the a and b. Okay, so now we need to try to separate out first. So we can take a minus square root 3 squared equals to a squared, okay, minus 2a square root 3 plus 9. Okay, so you can try to compare the a square minus 2a square root 3 plus 9 equals to b plus 3 square root 3 minus b square root 3. Then I'm actually doing to expand. Okay. So now I try to arrange again. So I can write here a square minus 9 minus 2a square root 3 equals to b plus 3 minus b square root 3. Okay, so now I can try doing the compare. Okay, you see here is square root 3, right? Same. So you can take negative 2a equals to 3 minus b. And then you see the another way, b equals to this a square minus 9. So b equals to a square minus 9. So you can write here. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Okay. First equation substitute to the sorry. Uh, Second equation substitute to the first equation. Negative 2a 3 minus bracket a square minus 9. So minus 2a 3 minus a square plus 9. Okay, plus 12. So a square minus 2a minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, so now we can try to factorize first. Do some mistake here. Actually, it's not 9, it's 3. Sorry, okay, it's 3. So here actually we get 6. Okay, a square minus 2a minus 6 equals to 0. Um, okay, plus 3. Okay, minus. Sorry, I do some mistake here. Okay, okay, so after I expense right, okay, so now let's try. We take a square plus 3 minus 2a square root 3 equals to b plus 3 minus b square root 3. Okay, so you can write here b equals to a square plus 3. Let's see that. So minus 2a minus 2a equals to 3 minus b. So this is our first equation. Second equation. First equation, substitute to the second equation. Negative 2a 3 minus a square plus 3. Okay, so minus 2a equals to 3 minus a square minus 3. Okay, and then the right here a square minus 2a equals to 0. A bracket a minus 2 equals to 0. A will equals to 0. A will equals to 2. Okay, so you've got two values for the a. Now you can try to find out the b. Okay, if a is 0, right? 0 square plus 3, you will get 3. B, uh, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, so you get two answers here. Okay, and then let's go into the next question. Okay, question 4. Okay, the diagram shows the triangle OAC. Okay, the points B leads on the AC such that the AB ratios to the BC equals to P ratios to the Q. Okay, where the P and Q are constant. Okay, P not equals to negative Q. So now we know OA equals to A, OB equals to B, and OC equals to C. Show that the B equals to QA plus PC over Q plus B. Okay, so now we try related it. Okay, this is your vector B, right? So, okay, you have the two ways to find it. Okay, uh, is B, right? You can use OA AB, or you also can use OC CB. Also can, no problems. Okay, so I will show us two ways. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, OB, so you can write here OA plus AB. Okay, this is the first part, first method. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, OB equals to OC CB. Okay, so now we try. Okay, OA is very easy. So you can take A plus, and then now you can see. Okay, A is right. Now we need to relate us. So let's. So you can directly use it. Okay, so actually, okay, now we need to find the AC first. AC equals to negative A plus C. So, okay, right here, AB E over P plus Q. Bracket AC C minus A. Okay, so we have here A plus PC minus PA over P plus Q. Okay, and then you can take here EA plus QA plus PC minus PA over P plus Q. Okay, so now you can try to cancel PA. You will get QA plus PC over P plus Q. Okay, and then we try for the OC. Okay, C plus, okay, because CB actually is directions, Q over P plus Q. Okay, A minus C plus QA minus QC over P plus Q. So here you can write PC plus QC minus no, plus QA minus QC over P plus Q. So you can cancel QC minus QC. So you will get QA plus PC over P plus Q. Okay, so you can choose uh method one or method two. Okay, okay, let's see the question 5. Given that log base A P plus 1 plus 1 over log base P A minus log base A P plus 2 plus log base A 5 equals to log base A 12. Find the values of the P. Okay, so now we need to see first. Okay, so first we need to change which one? Yes, we need to change for this terms. Because you see all the term is base A, right? But only for this term is base B P. So you need to change first. Okay. So I can write here 1 over log P A equals to 1 over bracket log A over log P. So I can write here A. Okay. So you will directly to get log A P. Base A P. Okay. So you can write here log base A P plus 1 plus log base A P minus log base A P plus 2 plus log A 5 equals to log A 12. Okay, so now you can try to combine, pause. Okay, so I can write here log base A. Okay, uh, because it's minus, so okay, 5 P plus 1. Okay, over P plus 2. Why? Because it's minus equals to log base A 12. So you can take out the log. Okay. So you can write here 5p p plus 1 over p plus 2 equals to 12. 5p squared plus 5p equals to 12p plus 24. Okay. 5p squared minus 7p minus 24 equals to 0. Okay, so now I can try to factorize. Factorize. Okay, 5p here, 24. So now I need to get the negative 7 right? So I can try to separate 8, 3, 3, 8. Okay, so I need to make sure get the negative between p, negative and plus. So I can write here 5p plus 8, p minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, and then you will get two answers, right? P equals to negative 8 over 5 and P equals to 3. When you solve these logarithms equations, you must be careful. Why? Okay, you can try to look back here. Look back for these terms. Okay, because we know log A, okay, B, for this value cannot equals to 0 or cannot less than 0. It means if the value is equal to 0 or less than 0 is negative value, cannot stop it. So you see here, it means your P at least should be more than negative 1, right? So you see here it's got negative, so you cannot use. You need to ignore. I hope you can understand, okay? Because here. And then so your final answer is P equals to 3. Okay, I hope you can get it. Oh, I forgot to say, P here also should be more than negative 2. Okay, okay, let's go into the question 6. In this question, all the lengths are in meters. The diagram shows a shapes A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, B, D, and D, E are three sides of the rectangulars. Okay. O is the midpoint, BD. AFE is an arc of the circle whose center is O. So I can write it, I can draw here first. Okay. AB square root 3. BC equals to CD. Okay, BC equals to CD. Okay, equals to 5. And BD equals to 6. Okay, 6 here. Okay, because this is midpoint, right? So 3, 3. Okay, square root 3. Okay. Find the exact value of the parameter of the shape, giving your answer in terms of height. Okay, so now you need to calculate, right? So I hope you can calculate as carefully. Okay, so you can see. mm, wait a minute. Okay, so let's find the angle for this part first. So I can write here tangent. Okay, angle ABO equals to opposite is square root 3 over 3. So ABO equals to, okay, make sure your angles in radius form. Okay, not in degree form. So your answer will get for the angle AOB equals to 1 over 6 pi. 1 over 6 pi here. Okay, here also 1 over 6 pi. Okay, now we try to find the angle AO equals to pi minus 1 over 6 pi minus 1 over 6 pi equals to 2 over 3 pi. Okay, here you already get 2 over 3 pi. Okay, so now we can try to find the length arc of A AFE. Okay, so you can take. Now we already learned length of the arc is S equals to R multiply the theta, right? So you can take A, or now we need to find the radius of a radius. Okay, for the radius, take square root, square root here, and 3 square. You will get, okay, 2 square root 3. So you can take 2 square root 3, radius equals to 2 square root 3. Okay, 2 square root 3 multiply 2 over 3 pi. Okay, so you can get 4 square root 3 over 3 pi. Okay, so this is your length of the arc of AFE. So now we need to find the perimeter of shapes. Of the shapes equals to, okay, now we see, okay, AB square root 3, right? Plus 5. BC 5 plus 5 plus square root 3 and plus 4 square root 3 over 3 pi. Okay, right here equals to 10 plus 2 square root 3 plus 4 square root 3 over 3 pi. Okay, your answer should be in this form. Okay, please don't write in the decimal. Okay, because I already explained many times in my videos. So I hope you can get it up. Yeah, because keywords here is already mentioned. Okay, now let's try to the question B. Okay, find the exact value of the area of the shape, giving your answer in terms of the height. So, okay, now you need to find the shape, area of the shape, right? Okay, so now we can try it. Wait, okay, for for this part, you need to find the height first. And the height. So here's 3, 5, or here's 4. Why? We can use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, for the OC equals to square root 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 3 is 16. 16 of the square root of the 16 you will get 4 here. Okay, so now let's try question. Area of the shapes will equals to, okay, I can take 2 times multiply 1 over 2 multiply 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4 here plus plus also 2 triangles here. Okay, 2 triangles multiply 1 over 2 multiply Okay, 3 multiplied square root 3 square root 3. And then plus last. Okay, now you try to memorize area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. So you can write here 1 over 2 multiply bracket 2 square root 3 squared. The theta is 2 over 3 pi c. Okay, so now you can start to multiply. Answer, okay, you will get 12 plus, answer 3 square root 3 plus, okay, 1 over 2, 1 over 2 multiply 4 is 3, multiply 2 over 3 pi c. So you can cancel the 3, 2 also can cancel, so you're leaving the 4 here. So you can write 4 pi plus 3 square root 3 plus 12. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, let's try going to the question 7. Okay, I know this question is quite complicated because a lot of the steps we need to find here. Okay, question 7. Okay, a curve has the equation y equals to 2x cos x. Okay, the normal to the curve at pi negative 2 pi makes the x-axis. Okay, and the y-axis at points P and Q. Find the exact area of the triangle POP. So I try to draw. Okay, I try to draw this curve. Okay, okay, try to draw this curve. Okay, this is your point. Wait, okay, pi negative 2 pi 6. Okay, and then this is your tangents, right? Tangent. Okay, opposite 90 degree, you will get normal, right? This is your normal. Your normal, they will meet. Okay, they will meet here. Okay, this is your point Q, and here is point Q. Okay, so now we need to try to find out the triangle first. X here. Okay, this is your y equals to 2x cos x. Okay, so we can find 2x cos x. Okay, now we need to find the dy dx first. So we can right here. Okay, we can apply the product rule. So 2 bracket, okay, cos plus 2x minus sine x. Okay, 2 cos minus 2x sine x. Okay, so you can write here when x equals to pi. Okay, so dy dx equals to 2 cos pi minus 2 pi sine pi. Okay, and then we know sine pi equals to 0, right? So, and then cos, okay, cos pi equals to negative 1. 2 pi is 0. So you will get equals to negative 2. Now we need to find the gradient of the normal. Okay, okay, 1 over 2 6. Okay, we can use y minus 1 1 equals to 10 bracket x minus x1. plus 2 pi equals to 1 over 2 x minus 5. Y equals to 1 over 2x minus 1 over 2 pi minus 2 pi. So you will get y equals to 1 over 2x minus 5 over 2 pi here. Okay, so I already get the equations of the normal, right? Okay, so I can try to find the coordinates of the P and Q's. Okay, okay, for the Q, okay, actually you see is this way. Because I sketch like this way, like 0, negative 5 over 2 pi here. Then for the last, is 1 over 2x minus 5 over 2 pi equals to 0. So 1 over 2x equals to 5 over 2 pi. X will equals to 5 pi 6. Okay, so your point P and point Q, okay, P is 5 pi 0, Q is 0, negative 5 over 2 pi. Okay, wait a minute, I need to change for this graph because this is opposite directions. Normal 5, negative 2 pi 6, tangent sketch. Okay, here is negative 5 pi 8. Oh, sorry. So it means the reference point. Okay, here, so I can draw here 5 pi. Okay, it is negative 5 over 2 pi. Okay, this is your equations of the normal, and this is your tangent. Okay, now we need to find the area of the triangle for this part. And use the other color. Yes. Okay, so you can say area of triangle POQ equals to 1 over 2 multiply pi over 2 pi multiply the pi. Okay, so you will get the answer equals to 25 over 4 pi squared. Okay, so I hope you can get it and understand. Let's go to the question 8. A particles move in a straight line so that its displacement from a fixed point O at the time t second is x, where the x equal to t cubed plus t squared minus t plus 8 when and t equals m more than 0. Okay, find the times when the particle change the direction. Okay, so you need to know when they will change the direction. So you need differentiated, okay, for these equations. Okay, so you will guess, because this is displacement, now you get the velocity 3t squared plus 2t minus 1. Okay, so now I can try factorize. Factorize first. 3t to 1, 1. Yes, plus minus. So 3t minus 1, t plus 1. And now, and then we know when t equals to 0, right, they will change the directions. So you can take v equals to 0, so you can write here 3t minus 1, t plus 1 equals to 0. T equals to 1 over 3, t equals to negative 1. For the negative 1, we just ignore it. Why? Because questions already says here. Okay, please follow it. Okay, now let's see the question B. Show that the particle is moving towards O when t equals to 0. Okay, so we need to show, right? Okay, so we can take x equals to 0 cube plus 0 square minus 0 plus 8. You will get x equals to 8 meter, right? And then B, you see the B first, V 0, so you can get 3 0 square plus 2 0 minus 1 equals to negative 1 meter per second. So you can see the directions. They will try going to the towards the O, because you see the velocity is negative 1. Okay, I hope you can get it. Okay, so now I can try to write out the conclusion. Um, okay, I straight away to show the graphical methods to you. Okay, this is your graph, your cubic graph here. Okay, this is your cubic graph. They were going down first and then upwards. Okay, so you can see it's here, right? And then this is your minimum value. Okay, 1 over 3, 0. They were going down here first. After the 1 or 3, they will start to going up back again. So you can write here, the particles will towards. Okay, so you can write here, since x is positive and the v, because we know the v actually is a gradient of the curve, so they will show the negative. So v is negative. Okay, so you can see the particle is moving towards O. Okay, and then we try and look at the question C. Find the total distance traveled by the particle during the first 2 seconds. Okay, I think we can try to sketch the quadratic functions. Negative 1 or 2, 0, until here is 1 over 3, right? And then here is positive 2. This times velocity. Okay, I draw the velocity time graph. Okay, so because why I don't use the distance for distance? Because we know area under the curve or area under the any graph, we can for the velocity time graph, right? We can find the distance traveler. If the graph is distance times right, we cannot find out the total distance traveled. Okay, so you need to using the velocity. Okay, so this x plus okay, and then now you need to see here is the below under the uh below the x-axis, right? So you need to calculate, right? Make sure puts the modulus. Make sure because if you didn't put the modulus, you will get the answer is negative. Okay, it's not positive. So be careful, please. Okay, so you can write here total distance travel, okay, equals to, so you can use integrate 1 over 3, 0. So 3t squared plus 2t minus 1 dt plus integrate 2, 1 over 3, 3t squared plus 2t minus 1 dt. Okay, make sure push the modulus first. 3t cubed over 3 plus 2t squared over 2 minus t 1 over 3 0 plus okay t cubed plus t squared minus t okay 2 1 over 3. Okay, wait a minute, let me calculate first. So 1 over 3 cubed plus 1 over 3 squared minus 1 over 3. So you will get negative 5 over 27 plus, so okay, 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 2, 10. Okay, 10 minus okay, 1 over 2, bracket 1 over 2 cubed plus 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2. So minus 5 over 27. Okay, so here you will get positive, positive 5 over 7. Okay, so take 10 plus 5 over 27. Okay, so you will get the answer is 215 over 27. Or you also can write okay, I also can write the answer in decimal place. So make sure write in 3 or 4 significant figures. So you can write 10.377 7 meters or 10.4 meters here. Okay, so I hope you can understand. Okay, let's go into the question 9. Okay. A curve has the equation y equals to x squared minus ax plus c, where c is a constant. Okay. Find the value of the c in each of the following case. Okay, the curve cross the x-axis at the x equals to 2. Okay, so you see the cross the x-axis, right? So it means x equals to 2, y equals to 0. So you can write here 0 equals to 2 square minus 8, 2 plus c. 0 equals to 2 square minus 8, 2. C minus 12. C will equals to 12. The minimum values of the y equals is 3. So this question you need to related to the differentiation. Okay, so we can write here dy dx equals to 2x, okay, minus 8. Okay, minus 8. So 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. Okay, so I can write here 3 equals to 4 square minus 8 bracket 4 plus c. 3 equals to 4 square minus 8, 4, negative 16 plus c. C equals to 19. Okay, so you see the answer is 19. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, question B. Find the range of the value of the C for which the Y is always greater than 0. Uh, when the Y, oh, okay. When you see these questions, right? The question says Y is always greater than 0. What's that mean? It means the Y, they will always what? They will always above the x-axis. So you see, it's always above the x-axis, right? What does that mean? Yes, no real roots. So you can use b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So you can use here b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So you can write here negative 8 squared minus 4a is 1. C here less than 0. Okay, 8 times 8, 64 minus 4, c here 0. So, okay, can write here 64 less than 4c. So, 4c will more than 64. C will more than 60. Because this keyword, please be careful, okay? Or please be attention. Okay, now we try going to the question 10. Okay, a class contains the 7 girls and 8 boys. A group of the 6 is selected from the class. The group must be contain at least 3 girls and at least 2 boys. Find the number different groups that can be selected. Okay, when doing this question, right? Okay, now you see how many girls here? 7 girls, right? 8 boys. Now we need to form at least 3 girls. But okay, question says 6. Okay, for this group it's only 6 only. At least 3 girls and at least 2 boys. Okay, so let's try. Okay, three, 3 girls. Okay, elite, and let's say 3 girls. So for the boys, we can try to consider 3 boys here, right? And then we can go, okay, 4 girls, okay, 4 girls, 2 boys, okay? So you have the 2 combinations here only, okay? So let's try, okay, 7, okay, 7c3 multiply 8c3 plus 7c4 multiply 8c2. You will get 1916 plus 980 equals to 2940. Okay, let's see the part. Question B. 5 character codes is formed from the following characters. A, B, C, D, E, F. Numbers is 1, 2, 3. No character may be used more than once in any codes. The codes may be arranged in any orders. Okay, find the number of the different codes can be formed using the four letters and the one numbers. Okay, so let's try. Here, one numbers. Four letters. So I can take 64 first. After that, okay, five character. 64. This part 3, 1. Okay, so I can take 64 here first, multiply, multiply to 3, 1, multiply again, okay, multiply the 5. So it equals to 64, multiply 3, 1, multiply the 5. So you will get 5,400. Okay. Okay, why I need to multiply the 5, not the 5 factorial? Because you see here is got 5 position, uh, possible positions. Okay, so I just multiply the 5 because you can see 4, this only see 4 letters only. Okay, letters. So you can choose 6 letter to form in these 4 positions. And then for these letters, right, you can take 3, 1. Okay, okay, numbers. And then you see here it's got 5, right? Because sometimes they will be changed. So you can multiply the 5 positions. Because the question also says cannot repeat many times. Yeah. So you can take 5,400 here. Okay, let's look at the question 11. Okay. A, fx equals to x over x minus 1 for the x between negative 10 and 10, x cannot equals to 1. The diagram shows the graph y equals to fx here. Okay. Use this graph to explain why the f is a function. Why? Okay, we can say, okay, you can say the line x equals to k. Okay, whatever k. Okay, where negative 10 k until power 10, positive 10 cuts the curve. The curve is 1 point only. You can see the cuts here, right? Only 1 point. And here also cuts the 1 point only. So this function is valid. Okay, let's see the part two. Find the, okay, composite F. Give your answer in simplified form. F, F, X equals to, okay, uh, bracket X over X minus 1 over again X over X minus 1 minus 1. So you can write here F, F, X equals to X over X minus 1 over X minus X minus 1 over X minus 1. So you can try to cancel for this part. Okay, so you will get equals to X. Okay, so let's see the part 3. Use your answer to the part 2. State the relationship between the function f and inverse function. Okay, you can see f and inverse are the same. Okay, let's see the part 4. Show the diagram. Show the relationship between the f and inverse. Okay, you can write here the curve answer from f to the x. Okay, the curve is symmetrically about line equal y equals to x. Okay, let's see the question B. A function g define gx equal to x over x minus 1 for the x more than or equals to 2. Find the range of the g. Okay, we need to find the range of the g. Okay, so we can take b. Okay, so okay, we can try to look back on the graph. Okay, x more than 2, right? X more than 2, so I can sketch here. Hmm, okay, here's x equals to 2, x equals to 2, okay? So you can see the range here's only, yeah, so 2, so you can take 2 over 2 minus 1 gives to 2, 2, okay? So you can see, hmm, x and y equals to 1. So your range is 1 gx is equals to. Okay, why is 2 here? Because you can take g bracket 2 equals to 2 over 2 minus 1 equals to 2. Okay, and then we'll try to look at the question C. A function h is defined by hx equals to 2x over 3x plus 1. For the largest possible domain, state the domain of the H. Oh, this is very easy only. So because you say largest possible domain, so you can take 3x plus 1 cannot equals to 0. So cannot equals to negative 1 over 3. So that is your answer. Okay, let's try to look at the last question. Finally, last question here. Okay, the arithmetic position A and B each have the 100 terms. Their terms are donated by A1, A2, A3, A4 until A100 and B1, B2, B3, B4 until B100 respectively. It's given that A1 equals to B100 equals to 1 and what A100 equals to B1 equals to 298. Okay, so I can try to write it this way. Okay, this is your arithmetic projections A. So you can write here 1 dot 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 until 298. This is your arithmetic projections B. 298 dot 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 until 1. Okay, so we can try to find out the yes, we can try to find out the first term and common difference. Okay, so for the arithmetic projections A, okay, your first term is A equals to 1, right? And then this is your last term, 100 equals to 298. So you can take 1 plus 99D equals to 298. So 99D will equals to 297. D will equals to 3. Okay, let's look at the arithmetic projections B. Okay, A equals to 298. This is your last term. Okay, U100 equals to 1. So you can take here 298 plus 99, D equals to 1. 99, D will equals to negative, negative 297. D will equals to negative 3. Okay, so you already get first term and common difference for the arithmetic position A and B. So let's see the question A. Find the n such that the an minus bn equals to 45. So you can write this way. An equals to A is 1 plus n minus 1. Your D is 3. So you can write 1 plus 3n minus 3 equals to 3n minus 2. Okay? And this is your Bn equals to 290 8 plus n minus 1 minus 3 equals to 298 plus, not plus again, minus 3n plus 3 equals to 301 minus 3x. Okay, so you can take here an minus bn equals to 45. So 3n minus 2 minus 301 3n equals to 42, 45. So 3n minus 2 minus 301 plus 3n equals to 45. So here is 6n. Okay, so 6n equals to 45 plus 2 plus 301. So 348. Okay, so 348 divided by 6. Okay, n will equals to 58. Okay, so now let's look at the question B. Okay, find the smallest n that am more than 2 million. Okay, so we can just directly to use these uh n terms expressions. Okay, so we can take 3m minus 2 more than 2 bracket 301 minus 3m here. So 3m minus 2 more than 2 multiplied 2 101. Okay, 602 minus 6m. 3m plus 6m more than 602 plus 2. Okay, so here you will get 9m more than 604, right? So m will more than 604 over 9. Actually, it's more than 67.1, right? But I don't write the answer in this way because m, at least you need to more than 67.1. But we know the m cannot equals to decimal place, right? Is actually equals to integers. So you can take n equals to 68. Okay, so we already finished for this paper today. So thank you for watching for my this video and please stay tuned for my next video. Okay. So we see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.